Look at these colors. Juicy, vibrant, and incredibly aromatic. Many people are afraid of cooking turkey breast because it gets dry. But today, I will show you a Mediterranean method that guarantees the juiciest bite every single time. Whether it's for a holiday feast or a special Sunday dinner, this dish is a showstopper. Let's get cooking. We start with the butterfly cut to double the surface area.
Start with the basics, keep it real. A little salt to set the seal. Toasting walnuts in the pan. Cooking with a master plan. Garlic sizzle smells so good underneath the kitchen hood. Feta cheese and spinach green, the finest roulade ever seen. Wrap it tight and lock it in. Let the holiday begin. Juicy layers taste so bright, perfect for a winter night. Butter melting.
Now, here is the most critical step, dry brining. I sprinkle salt on the meat and leave it in the fridge, uncovered, overnight. Why? Because salt denatures the proteins, allowing them to hold on to moisture like a sponge. It's an insurance policy against dry meat. Plus, drying the surface guarantees a better crust later.
Look at that slice. Spices and herbs. Everything nice.
I salt the meat lightly. Remember, our filling has salty feta, so go easy here.
Winter sun upon the sea, Feta breeze is calling me. Rosemary, Brine, and scent of thyme. Gather round, it's cooking time. The kitchen holds a golden light to warm us on this festive night.
Next, the spinach. Did you know that spinach loses over 90% of its volume when cooked? That's why we start with a full pan.
Softly roasting, turning gold. Stories of the season told. A glass of wine, a slice of care. Magic floating in the air. Slice it slow. Let the juices flow. Ancient dreams. Winter glow.
Make sure to squeeze out all the excess liquid. We want a roasted filling, not a soggy one. By the way, if you are enjoying these tips, do me a favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow.
Start with the basics, keep it real. A little salt to set the seal. Toasting walnuts in the pan. Cooking with a master plan. Garlic sizzle smells so good. Underneath the kitchen perfect for a winter night.
Now, the Mediterranean soul of the dish. Salty feta cheese, creamy cheese for binding, and sun-dried tomatoes for that sweet umami punch. And here is a secret weapon, lemon zest. It lifts the heavy flavors and adds a fresh perfume that cuts through the richness. It smells like summer in Greece.
Before we put it to the test. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Oh, look at that slice. Spices and herbs. Everything nice. Bon appetit.
Notice the colors: green spinach, white cheese, red tomatoes. It looks festive already. When rolling, keep it tight. Because we pounded the meat evenly and place it seam side down, we don't even need kitchen twine. The air fryer will seal it perfectly. Into the air fryer basket, seam side down. We are cooking this at 180 degrees Celsius or 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes initially. If you are using a traditional oven, preheat it to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit and bake for about 25 to 30 minutes. While it cooks, let's make it beautiful. Turkey is lean, so we need to add some healthy fats back. Melted butter, paprika for that golden red color, and fresh rosemary and thyme straight from my balcony. Infusing the herbs in hot butter releases fat-soluble flavors that you just can't get from dried spices.
After 15 minutes, look at that. It's cooking, but it's pale. Now we brush on our Magic Glaze. This will create a crispy, aromatic skin and give it that professional rotisserie look. Back in the air fryer for another 7 minutes at the same temperature.
Stop! Do not cut it yet. This is the most common mistake. We must let the meat rest under foil for at least 10 to 15 minutes. The juices are currently rushing to the center. Resting allows them to redistribute to the edges, ensuring every slice is moist. Now we can slice. Look at that cross-section. The filling is distinct, the meat is glistening, and the smell is incredible. High protein, keto-friendly, and absolutely delicious. If you try this for your holiday table, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more Aegean flavors.
Promises we make and keep. Spinach, green, and snow.
Kaliorexi.